Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Ahmad Rizki Pranata, and my student identification number is 234111015. In this presentation, I will discuss a topic that has been assigned as part of my course requirements. The purpose of this presentation is to explain the main concepts, theories, and important aspects related to the topic in a clear and systematic manner. I hope that the information presented will be useful, increase our understanding, and provide valuable insights into the subject being discussed. Without further delay, let's begin the presentation. In accounting theory, financial reporting is the primary means used by companies to convey information to stakeholders. This information is used by investors, creditors, management, the government, and the public in making various economic decisions. The term scope of reporting refers to the extent of information presented in financial reporting. The scope of reporting extends beyond the primary financial statements and also includes additional information that can help users understand the company's condition more comprehensively. Meanwhile, financial statements or financial reports are the final result of the accounting process, which presents information regarding the financial position, company performance, and cash flow in a certain period. The primary objective of financial reporting is to provide relevant, reliable, and understandable information so users can make informed decisions. Therefore, financial reports must accurately and objectively portray the company's condition. As time goes by, users' needs for information are increasing. Users not only require information about a company's profits and assets, but also information about the company's risks, opportunities, and prospects in general. That is why the scope of financial reporting is becoming broader and continues to develop to meet the needs of the modern business world. Financial reporting has a wider scope, broader than simply presenting annual financial reports. Financial reporting includes all information provided by a company to help users understand the company's condition and performance. One of the main parts of the scope. A statement of financial position shows a company's assets, liabilities, and equity on a specific date. This information helps users understand the company's overall financial condition. In addition, there is a profit and loss report. Provides information on revenue, expenses, and profit or loss earned, often used to assess the company's level of profitability during a certain period. This report. Financial reporting also includes reports. Changes in equity and cash flow statements that provide an overview of changes in capital and cash movements of the company. However, the scope of reporting does not stop. In modern practice, companies also often present additional information related to business strategy, business risks, corporate governance, social responsibility, and future prospects. This non-financial information is becoming increasingly important because it can help users get a more complete picture of the company. Thus, the scope of current financial reporting is not only focused on historical information, but also includes information that supports the assessment of the company's future condition and potential. The first component is the financial position report or balance sheet. This report shows the amount of assets, liabilities, and equity a company has at a given point in time. Through this report, users can assess the company's financial strength. The second component is the profit and loss report or income statement. This report presents information regarding income and expenses that occur during a certain period resulting in the company's profit or loss. The third component is the statement of changes in equity. This report explains changes in owners' equity, whether resulting from profits, additional investments, or distributions to owners. The next component is the cash flow statement. This report provides information on the sources and cash usage grouped into operating, investing, and financing activities. Next, there are notes to the report. Financial. This section contains a detailed explanation of the accounting policies used, specific account details, and additional information that cannot be fully explained in the main report. These 5 components complement each other and provide a more comprehensive picture of the company's condition. Through these reports, investors can assess investment prospects, creditors can assess the company's ability to pay debts, and management can evaluate the company's performance. That is why financial reports are one of the most important sources of information in the world of business and accounting. Scope of reporting and financial statements is a concept that explains the scope of information a company conveys through the financial reporting process. This concept shows that financial reporting does not only contains the numbers in the financial statements, but also includes various additional information that helps users understand the company's condition more completely. The scope of financial reporting continues growing along with the increasing need for information from stakeholders' interests. Today, users not only need information about past financial performance, but also information about risks, business strategies, and governance, company, and future prospects. In financial reporting there are several main components, namely the financial position report, profit and loss report, equity change report, cash flow report, and notes to the report. Each component has a different function, but all aim to provide a clear picture of the company's condition. Therefore, the quality of financial reporting is crucial. The information presented must be relevant, reliable, transparent, and easy to understand so that it can be used effectively in economic decision-making. As aspiring professionals in the field of accounting and business, understanding the scope of financial reporting will help us understand how financial information is used to assess company performance and support strategic decisions. That concludes my presentation for today. In summary, the topic discussed provides important knowledge and insights that help us better understand the concepts and their applications in both academic and practical contexts. I hope this presentation has been informative and has contributed to a deeper understanding of the subject matter. Thank you for your attention and for taking the time to watch this presentation. I sincerely apologize for any mistakes or shortcomings in my explanation. Thank you once again, and have a wonderful day. See you in the next presentation. Wassalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.